In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos inside text in Canva. This effect is an eye-catching way to make titles, intros, and social posts feel dynamic, and it's surprisingly simple once you know where to click. Start by opening Canva in your browser and heading to your home page. Choose or create a design that matches your project, like a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or presentation slide. Picking the right canvas size first makes arranging everything easier later. On the left toolbar, click Elements. This is where we'll find the special letter shapes that act like windows for your video. In the Elements panel, type the letters you want to use into the search bar to bring up options, then switch to the Frames category. Look for the alphabet frames. Each letter is its own frame. Add the letters you need to your canvas to spell your word or phrase. Once the letters are on your page, resize them using the corner handles so they're big and bold. Larger letters help more of your video show through, especially if your footage has detail. Reposition the letters to line them up across the center of your design, leaving just a bit of space between each one so they're easy to see and adjust. Now move to the Uploads panel in the left toolbar. Select the Videos section to view your clips. If you haven't uploaded your footage yet, you can do that here. Otherwise, choose from your existing uploads. Drag the video you want directly onto a letter frame. You'll see it snap into place inside the shape. Repeat that for each letter if you're using separate videos, or use the same video across all the letters for a consistent look. To fine-tune the framing, double-click a letter. This opens the crop and positioning view. Click and drag the video to center the most important part inside the letter, and use the corner handles to scale the clip within the frame until it feels balanced. Take your time here. Small shifts can make the word much clearer. When you're happy with the layout, click play to preview the animation. Watch for consistent movement across the letters and check that the word is easy to read. If something feels off, pop back into any letter to adjust the video's position or size until it looks right. And that's it. You've placed a video inside text in Canva, creating a lively, professional effect that's perfect for bold headlines, intros, and promos. Keep experimenting with letter size, spacing, and clip choices to match your brand and message.